In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find your Lazada wallet account number. Well, as you can see, I am already inside the home interface of my Lazada account or my Lazada application. Now I want you to focus on the navigation bar on the bottom part of the screen, which includes the For You page, the Live page, the Message, the Cart, and the Account. Now, how to find our wallet account number here? Well, you just need to click the account, and then here you have the focus on the settings on the top right corner of the screen. And then after clicking it, you will see these options. Now I want you to click the account information, and here you will see your Lazada ID or your wallet account number, which is this, which is below your display name or your full name. And that's it. We have found our Lazada ID or Lazada wallet account number. And that's it. That's how you can find your Lazada wallet account number, and thank you for listening.